Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover how to use an Isobus implement with the Datatronic 5 terminal. To get started, attach the implement to your tractor and connect the Isobus plug. If your tractor allows, you can connect multiple Isobus implements simultaneously, for example, one at the front and another at the rear. A few seconds after connecting the implement, a progress bar will appear at the bottom of your Datatronic 5 screen, indicating that the tractor is loading the implement's functions into the terminal. If the implement is not yet known to the tractor, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to create a dedicated profile for this new implement. Click OK and enter the desired name for this profile. After creating the profile, the implement's parameter management page will be displayed. This page is already filled out, allowing you to verify and modify these parameters if necessary. When an Isobus implement is connected, an Isobus icon will appear on the button for setting the implement's connection type. If the profile is active, but the corresponding Isobus implement is not attached to the tractor, the previously displayed Isobus icon will be shown in red. Returning to profile management, if the attached implement is already linked to a profile saved on the tractor, a pop-up will appear to directly activate this profile. After accepting, the concerned profile will be activated. We are now ready to work with our Isobus implement. You can view the implement's masks at any time in the Isobus menu. To do this, click the Isobus icon in the main menu. You will find all available information and settings for managing the implement, as well as a menu on the right allowing you to use the implement's features. At the bottom right of your screen, a Settings button allows you to access the settings for this Isobus page. This screen lets you turn the Isobus function on and off and adjust the brightness. You can also manage the AUX responsibility of the masks displayed on the terminal. If the third-party parameter is selected, no functions related to the active mask can be assigned to the MF multipad. They can, however, be assigned to a potential external joystick. The MF parameter means that functions related to the active mask can be assigned to the MF multipad. When the MF parameter is selected, it is possible to assign Isobus implement functions to the MF multipad through the assignment page. This entire procedure is detailed in a dedicated video. If multiple implements are connected, or if the implement in question has multiple masks, simply click the Switch button at the bottom right to select the mask you want to display. For optimized comfort and control, you can also choose our dual screen configuration, which allows you to simultaneously display different Isobus masks, the MF guide map, tractor functionalities, and much more. Now that you are familiar with the basics of MF Isobus, it's your turn to try.